Hello everyone, this is Zach from TripVSA. So probably just want to do a quick update for SJC. So this is one of the stocks that we do discuss the other day during the live Facebook sections. So by looking into weekly charts, currently it seems like completed the pullbacks. Okay, as if you look into the daily charts, we have the pretty good volumes. Okay, with some of the sound strength from the bottoms. So if you look into the market stages as well, actually the overall market stages is still in uptrend markup, okay, as highlighted in the new market stages indicators. We have the greens bars, okay, holding well above the 2040s. So if you look into this area, yes, we do have the gray areas, okay. So the gray area is representing the overall trend is weakening, okay. Potentially there might be a pullbacks is happening at the area of probably distribution. Again, we want to use the market stages combining with the sound strength and sound weakness to determine is there any distributions or not. So in this case over here, it seems like it don't have any major weakness at the top, so it is a pullbacks. Okay, so here enough pullbacks, and this week, okay, hopefully today is only Wednesday. Hopefully the closing will be in green bar. So let's say it closes with green bar, likely we will see another's another price, okay, that can hit and break above the resistance, okay, like previously over here we got green bars, okay. Subsequently they're able to break above certain resistance and the price going at higher prices, okay. So here as well, green, okay, green market stages, they break above the resistance, okay. Here as well, once it turns to green, they break above the pre resistance, okay. So here we got already greens, okay, but again today is only Wednesday. So hopefully it closed with a very strong bar, and hopefully within 1 or 2 weeks later on, it can successfully break higher than the resistance over here. Okay, so let's look into the daily chart, which is in a small time frame. Remember, this is a COB counters. Okay, illiquid turns to liquid. But if you look into the overall chart pattern and setups here, we got lots of sound strength, tons of NS previously, and here we got 2 SP. Okay, volumes coming back, and again market stages turn as well after some sort of like a weakening in the trends, okay, like previously as well, before they hit the resistance or break above the resistance. Okay, here we got some weakening in the trend, okay, followed by another continuation. Okay, so again, like I said, it's kind of similar setups happening compared to the left hand side. Hopefully you got a chance to retest and subsequently make a follow through.